Josh, and hello everyone. Welcome to this session and welcome to this webinar. So my name is Mohit Mazumdar, and as many of you might be joining for the first time, so I have a PhD in computational biology, and I have years of experience working on various biological problems, doing research in bioinformatics using computational tools. So today we will start by learning why we are doing this first, and then we will learn about the various things associated with the workshop, and also the schedule and the experts who will be talking in this important workshop that we will be conducting from 26th December to 20th December. So advances in sequencing and computational biology have, drastically increased our capacity to explore biology through this vast amount of data. So our understanding of the world of biology is changing due to many breakthroughs in biotechnology, in agriculture, in infectious disease research, and also in other life science research. So that is one of the key reasons that we designed this workshop for beginners and students who are starting their journey with their specializations, specialization degrees that that you are enrolled in. So students who are doing BTech, students who are doing masters, MSc, MTech, PhD, and people who are doing research, especially clinicians who would want to learn about the innovative industrial technologies related to biological data analysis. So this program and this workshop, especially for anyone who would want to have that, who have this keen interest in understanding that what is going on. So in today's world, we are learning from newspapers, we are learning from different sources about these different breakthroughs that are happening. That starts from the development of vaccines to all the new advancements that are coming for diseases such as cancer and other life-threatening diseases. So, and people who are interested in doing that, people who have interest in learning about that, it is quite challenging to stay up to the speed and to learn that what is going on and what are the ways we can contribute, what are the ways we can get into it and start doing the same. So in this session, we will learn about topics and the curriculum that will be covered in that we will be covering in this workshop, and that I will be covering in this session, along with the resources that I said. We have resources that utilizes this innovative OmicsLogic bioinformatics training, and that will allow students to be a part of this growing and rapidly evolving community of researchers, scientists, entrepreneurs, and industry specialists. So this OmicsLogic short 3-day workshop registrations will allow the participants to access the self-learning course. As you can see in the screen, there are some of the key objectives that we have put together. So self-learning courses and projects. So these are available on our proprietary portal, Learn OmicsLogic, and platform T-Bioinfo server. So anyone who registers will have access to all those resources for 30 days from the day of the registration, and a training on biological and biomedical data analysis using sequence and structural data, and then utilizing the big data which is available on public repositories. So we will do that. And over the past few years, I would like to mention this, that our innovative technology that is being utilized by multiple resources and by creating pathways for students to excel in their career has led to many awards and recognition, as you can see on the screen. So in India, we have collaborated and piloted our training programs with 30 universities for the last 3 years, testing and validating the project-based curriculum to develop research ideas and research projects, and to support this process, and to support this entire process from training to be able to participate in real and cutting edge research. So this actually brings us to talk about this opportunity, this another opportunity for students and faculty who are interested in exploring the vast multidimensional data and to gain skill sets that are really truly relevant to industry and also academic research, and that pertains to deeper understanding of human beings and all the other living beings. So this Omics Logic workshop is designed for students and researchers who are eager to kickstart their journey to big data by understanding the application from a biologist perspective and solve the challenge like an expert in computational biology. So that's what we are going to expect from you after you go through this training. So this, especially this version of the workshop, is a special opportunity, as we are glad to announce an academic partnership with the Premas Life Sciences. And to tell you more about this partnership, that will be helpful for all of us going through this experience, because Premas Life Sciences in India is a young, dynamic, and a focused organization introducing these game-changing niche technologies such as genomics, this application in cell biology, biopharma, to boost innovative research and diagnostics in India, compared to the developing countries. And during this session, the students from the experts will learn about the cutting edge and niche life science tools for the advancements of Indian research and clinical diagnostics. So it'll be a great opportunity in that context. So in this workshop, and in order to get you all a complete understanding of big data from experts, we designed this workshops with Premas Life Sciences that will help address the gaps. So that will be done by doing a pre-orientation workshop on 26th December on NGS data generation, and we will cover next generation machines and some of the coolest application in biomedical research. So let's learn about some of those topics that will be covering in this pre-orientation session. So this workshop will commence on 26th December, which is a Sunday. And the first keynote session will be about Illumina machines and data generation. So there will be a pre-orientation session also before that for you to get started and have all the login information and all the access and all of that. And then we will start with the session. The first keynote session will be from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST on 26th December. Followed by that, there will be another session which will be about the application in clinical NGS, and we will learn about important terms and important things that are going on in clinical NGS, such as oncology testing. We will learn about rare complex diseases. We'll learn about reproductive genetic diseases and genetic health and microbial wellness and whole genome sequencing. So these are really, I mean, topics that the scientists are working on and using the insights from those sort of experiments, and technology is helping us to take critical decisions for drug development and all of that. So we will go to that one by one in this entire workshop, and really excited to learn more and more about it, and also to tell you more and more about it. So after learning about this clinical application, we will get to learn about the advanced technologies that are emerging to provide even deeper understanding of each of the cells. So in this last session of the day, Dr. Nityanand Sharma, Senior Product Manager, Single Cell and Spatial Genomics, will talk about single cell genomics and clinical paradigms. So you'll learn from data generation and then clinical application, and then you will learn about the advanced applications. So followed by this, the next part of the workshop, and the next part of the workshop, we will be learning about NGS machines. After learning about the NGS machines and clinical application, we will be learning from the industry experts about the biological data analysis, to learn about big data, to learn about databases, to learn about public repositories, and to learn about basics of data science and computational biology. So these are some of the things that will be covered in the next 2 days, and we will have experts for that. So for the next 2 days, along with me, we will have experts from our team to take you through these different topics that I will go through in a while, in some time. But before I do that, let's hear from our experts who are present in this webinar. Let me invite Dr. Raghavendran first, who is an expert mentor and a big data specialist.